I'm Dale Stansfield, Captain on Yacht Scat.
My name's Christopher Winter, Chief Officer and currently looking for work.
For me, just to push myself to learn communication and to find out about weaknesses and strengths, and to change how I control the boat in terms of crew and in emergency situations.
My old chief officer did the course last year, and he came back and was raving about it. So I think I booked on like the next week, and unfortunately I only run it once a year. So I booked it immediately, and it just sounded like a great way to continue learning after my Master 3000. So professional development, I guess.
A little different, a little clunky here and there, but it does the job for sure, and it kind of throws you in the deep end that you don't necessarily know it. So that's also been an added learning curve as well.
Yeah, pretty much the same. I'm not used to the Konigsberg ECDIS and radar setup, so that took a little bit of time to get used to. But the fundamentals are all still the same, so that was fine.
You nailed the search square.
That was just fluke.
That was great. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it's just about remaining calm and controlled and using your team. And that's the most thing. The best thing is the teamwork kind of thing. So you're learning to develop that skill set even more than you would just doing drills on the boat. So this is real pressure. So yeah.
Yeah, for sure. I definitely felt the pressure. The simulator makes it feel very, very real. And I think the biggest thing I learned was just about to try and manage your resources and make sure that you can step away and keep that complete helicopter view.
Yeah.
And so, you start off light and you will end up heavy, but at least try and start off light.
Oh, yeah, for sure. I mean, I've never worked with this team before, so good people and seem to know their stuff, and that's the other side. It makes you, as a captain, knowing that you've got a good team who know their stuff on the other side of the phone is essential.
I haven't worked with West Nautical either, but seeing them actually in action in the office, it's kind of obviously what I thought they would be doing, but it's just good to see their level of kind of professionalism and how they stick to their procedures, just like we do on board, but shoreside. But yeah, it was good to see.
Yeah, for sure. I've already talked about it before I came, that I think it's a good idea for the other captain on board and our chief officers once they've got their 3000 to do it, for sure.
Yeah, I think it's a great course for people to do past their Master 3000, and once they're in a kind of a senior position to kind of continue developing skills, and yeah, just great to do this kind of course before those emergencies happen.
Expect the unexpected, because there's nothing that you've learned that can get you ready for the situation that they put you in, because they overwhelm you, and in some instances that's what's going to happen, and in other instances it's not going to happen. But the fact that you know where your limits are, you can work on those weaknesses and become ready in the real life.
And just don't forget your fundamentals as well, because I kind of got a bit whipped up in the course and what previous people had done on the course, and so I forgot some basic fundamentals which, touch wood, in real life I wouldn't have done. But you've got to kind of stick to what you know a little bit first and then try and build upon it.